Just 5 months shy of its official unveiling, a monumental leak has surfaced, revealing everything there is to know about the Pixel 9 Pro XL. What's happening, folks? The very same insider who spilled the beans on the Pixel 9 Pro a couple of weeks back is back in action, this time dishing out more than just details on the Pixel 9 Pro. The Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro XL are now in the limelight too. We're talking hands-on images, screens glowing bright, and even some side-by-side comparisons with other smartphones for good measure. Let's dive deep into this revelation. First off, the Pixel 9 steps in as the direct successor to the Pixel 8, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL takes the reins from the Pixel 8 Pro and the Pixel 9 Pro. Xiaomi makes its debut, offering similar specs to the XL but in a more compact package. Starting with the Pixel 9, it's equipped with 12 GB of RAM, while both the Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL pack a punch with 16 GB. Across the board, storage remains at a mere 128 GB, which frankly speaking feels a tad underwhelming for the year 2024. But many of its Android counterparts are setting the bar at least at 256 GB for their Pro models. Yet if Google manages to undercut the competition with an enticing price tag, perhaps the blow won't be as severe. Now let's talk screen real estate. The Pixel 9 boasts a 6.24-inch display, while the Pixel 9 Pro ups the ante to 6.34 inches. And for those craving even more screen space, feast your eyes on the Pixel 9 Pro XL with its generous 6.73-inch display. But here's where things get intriguing: in SOT's bezel size. While the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro share similar physical dimensions, the Pixel 9's larger bezels do impact its screen-to-body ratio. On the flip side, the Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL flaunt sleek minimal bezels that rival even the slimmest bezels found on the iPhone 15 Pro. And that's a commendable feat, especially considering Google's design choices of yesteryears felt somewhat juvenile. Under the hood, all three devices are fueled by Google's Tensor G4 SoC, with the Pro model exclusively supporting ultra-wideband technology, a feature conspicuously absent in the standard Pixel 9. Additionally, only the Pro models boast a triple camera setup, while the Pixel 9 keeps it simple with a dual setup. Witness the design evolution notably in the Pixel 9 series, with flat backs replacing the older, curvier designs. Pro models feature a matte glass finish, while the Pixel 9 maintains its glossy look. Google nailed the design despite some iPhone similarities. Speaking of which, here's a sneak peek at the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's dive in. Catch you later.